मैं प्रगति अग्रवाल स्वागत करती हूं आपका राष्ट्र जगत विजन में। छत्तीसगढ़ में पुरानी पेंशन योजना का मुद्दा हाईकोर्ट पहुंचा। प्रथम नियुक्ति तिथि का लाभ की मांग की गई, जिस पर माननीय हाईकोर्ट में मामले की बहस हुई। देखिए पूरी खबर। छत्तीसगढ़ टीचर्स एसोसिएशन ने प्रथम नियुक्ति तिथि की गणना कर पुरानी पेंशन योजना का लाभ देने की मांग की थी। तत्कालिक मुख्यमंत्री भूपेश बघेल ने छत्तीसगढ़ में पुरानी पेंशन लागू करने का निर्णय लिया था, किंतु इसमें आ रही विसंगति को प्रथम नियुक्ति तिथि से लागू कर शिक्षक संवर्ग को पूर्ण पेंशन का लाभ दिया जाए। मामला हाईकोर्ट में विचाराधीन है, जिस पर हाईकोर्ट ने मामले की बहस सुनी। देखिए।
We are the Shiksha Karmis, my lord. We are claiming the pension that had been denied by the respondent on the ground, my lord, that the petitioners are not the government servant and they are not belong to the state cadre. That's why, my lord, their pension had been denied. By order dated 16/2/2000.
You retired from Panchayat department.
No, we are still in service, my lord.
So how you denied pension? How could you say that?
The order had been passed that we are not entitled for any pensionary benefit, my lord. On the ground that we are not the state government employee.
But the services of the Shiksha Karmis have been absorbed in this.
Now it had been absorbed, my lord, in the education department, but they are saying that their services will be counted from the date of absorption, not from the previous service. They will not count, my lord.
So even if you're absorbed into after 8 years, you're absorbed in as per circular 2018. Suppose after even assuming that by keeping aside the 8 years which you worked as a Shiksha Karmi in the Panchayat, suppose after your absorption you work for 10 years, 20 years, maybe.
Even then they are
entitled for that.
From that date, my lord, from the year 2018, my lord, we will be entitled. This was the say of the state government. But they are not counting the previous service of the petitioner, my lord, which they have, my lord, done in the Panchayat department as a Shiksha Karmi. This is the whole case, my lord. We rely on the judgment of division bench of the Honorable Court and the single bench of this Honorable Court, my lord, to substantiate our argument that our previous service are to be counted not for the purpose of pensionary benefit.
What does the pension rule say?
Pension rule says, my lord, that the service are to be counted.
In the order of Honorable Court, Lordship, wherein Lordship, they were the employee of television and they claimed gratuity. In that case, Honorable Court has granted.
Yes, my lord. When the daily wages services are to be counted, my lord, we are the regular employee, my lord, from the day one.
They have absorbed. And the condition says, Lordship.
इनका कहने के हिसाब से अगर पंचायत सेक्रेटरी है, पंचायत डिपार्टमेंट में कोई भी एम्प्लॉई है, वो पेंशन के लिए एंटाइटलमेंट नहीं, पर ऐसा कहीं पे भी नहीं.
You are not the employee of the Panchayat departments. You are the employees of the Janpad Panchayat and Jila Panchayat, as the case may be.
Yes, my lord. But
fact that is, and they are local bodies.
Yes,
they have a distinct feature. They are distinctly described in the Constitution. I think 243X something. Panchayats, they are independent.
They are independent, but my lord, under the umbrella of state government.
Maybe.
They are governed by the rules, my lord, and the pension rules are applicable.
Everybody is under the umbrella of state government.
Pension rules protect, my lord, all the persons.
How the pension is counted? Tell me under which rule the pension is provided. Definition of pension.
Hello?
How, under which rule of 1976?
My lord, first of all, if your lordship, my lord, may kindly have a look on the rule 2.
Rule 2 of?
Of Panchayat rule, my lord.
You read it, Read.
Hello.
I'm hearing.
Application. Save as otherwise provided in these rules shall apply to every government servant appointed to civil service and the post in connection with the affairs of the state of Chhattisgarh, and who are born on the establishment not declared as non-pensionable. They have not declared, my lord, as a non-pensionable. Number one. Number two, these rules shall not apply to person of the work charge establishment. To that also the Honorable Division Bench was pleased to pass that their services are to be counted and that pension had been granted to them also. B, person in casual and daily rated employment. This also, my lord, the Honorable Division Bench was pleased to pass the order, my lord. Their services are also to be counted. C. Person paid for contingency. D. Person entitled to benefit of contributory provident fund. E. Person employed on contract except when the contract provided otherwise. F. Person whose terms and condition of the service are regulated by and other rules for the time being in force. G. Government servant appointed on or after 1/11/2004 to the service and the post in connection with the affairs of the state, whether temporary or permanent. In some of the matters, my lord, we have been appointed prior to 2004. 1998 we have been appointed. Now, my lord, may kindly will look on
जो
the
2004 के बाद अपॉइंटमेंट वाले हैं शिक्षा कर्मी, उनका पिटिशन अलग कर देना.
Yes.
I'll separate that batch.
Yes.
जो 1990 की मतलब 2000 पहले when the new pension policy came after 2004, appointees of 2004 onwards,
No, but
Yes.
I'll
no,
not
but
consider those cases at
Yes.
this stage.
वो ग्रुप में मेरे ख्याल से सभी शायद
Mere
90
I hold the cases almost from 98 laws.
हमारा तो सब
फिलहाल इस खबर पे इतना ही। ऐसे ही अपडेटेड खबरों से जुड़े रहने के लिए देखते रहिए राष्ट्र जगत विजन न्यूज। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें, नोटिफिकेशन के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें। नमस्कार।